Today we will read chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. Students, every living organism need food to obtain energy, to obtain material for growth, to obtain material for the damage of the repair part of, for the repair of the damaged part of the body. So what is mean by nutrition? Students, the process by which organism take food and as well as utilize food is called nutrition. The process of taking food by an organism as well as utilization of food by the organism is called nutrition. Okay, the process by which we take food and by which our body, by which the food is utilized in the body of the organism is called nutrition. Okay, plant make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, so the process of photosynthesis. But animals including human being cannot make their food from themselves. They obtain food from plants and other animals that eat plants. Okay, now we will discuss about the mode of nutrition. There are basically two main groups: autotrophs, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Okay, now we will discuss about in detail. First one is autotrophs or autotrophic mode of nutrition. So student, the organism which can make food themselves with the help of sunlight and water through the process of photosynthesis are called autotroph, and their mode of nutrition is autotrophic. Okay, so students, all green plants are autotroph because they can make their own food with the help of sunlight and water. Green plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, because they contain a green color pigment called chlorophyll, which help them to make food. They take in oxygen from they take in carbon dioxide from air and water and sunlight. They use sunlight for making their own food. So green plant can make their own food with the help of sunlight and water. See figure 1. Green plants can make food themselves by photosynthesis, so they are called autotroph. They have autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now come heterotroph or heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So student, the organism which cannot make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis is called heterotroph. Okay, they take food from green plants or animal. The heterotrophs take food from green plant and animal. Their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. All non-green plants and animal including human being are heterotrophs. See figure 2. Animal obtain their food from other organisms like plants or other animals, so they are heterotroph. Animals have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. This cow is an animal which is eating plant as food. It is a heterotroph. Its mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. We human beings are also heterotroph because we eat plants, we eat animals. We cannot make their own food. We eat other plants or animal for our food, so, and our mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. Okay, now students, what is mean by photosynthesis? How do plants make their food? Food making process in plant. Photosynthesis is basically food making process in plant. Okay, we all know that green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. How do plants make their own food from sunlight and water in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Okay, the process of photosynthesis can be presented by the word equation like carbon dioxide. Plants take carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil. Sunlight and chlorophyll is present. Sunlight is taken from the sun, and chlorophyll is present in the leaves. It produces glucose, which food, and release oxygen, which goes into the atmosphere. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. It goes into the atmosphere. Oxygen is very important for the living organism for the survival. Okay, this is a diagram to show the process of photosynthesis. This is how roots takes oxygen, soils, water from the soil, and air from carbon dioxide. Sunlight is taken with the help of chlorophyll. They make food, and then oxygen is released into the atmosphere. which is a diagram to show the process of photosynthesis. Okay, students. First of all, roots of the tree take water from the soil. Then from here, carbon dioxide is taken. Sunlight is taken from the sun. Chlorophyll is already present in the leaves, green leaves. Then the food is produced, which is called glucose or starch. And then oxygen is released into the atmosphere. It's the process. Now, students, what are the conditions necessary for photosynthesis? The presence of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight is necessary for the process of photosynthesis to take place. It's very important to have. It's very important for the plants to have carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Now, how the plants obtain carbon dioxide for photosynthesis? The point is how they obtain carbon dioxide from photosynthesis. So students, plant take carbon dioxide gas needed from photosynthesis from the air. Okay, the plant take carbon dioxide from air through the tiny pores present in the leaves. The leaves of the plant have tiny pores, which is called stomata. Okay, these tiny pores take carbon dioxide from the air. Now comes how the plants obtain water for photosynthesis. So students, plants take water needed from photosynthesis from the soil. Soil always contains some water on it. So water present in the soil is absorbed by roots by plant and then transported to the root leaf through the vessels which run through the inner connected pipes throughout the roots, stem, branches and leaves. So students, plant take water from the soil. Soil always contains some water. In the process of photosynthesis, water is required, so plants take water from the soil. Then the water is transferred to other part of the plant. Now comes role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. What is the role of chlorophyll? Students, chlorophyll means green color pigment present in the leaf. Chlorophyll absorbs energy from the sun and supplies the energy to leaves to enable them to carry out photosynthesis for food. Student, chlorophyll क्या होती है? Chlorophyll means a green color pigment, green color substance जो leaf में present होता है. It absorbs light from the energy from the sun and supplies this energy to other parts of the plants. Now come role of sunlight in photosynthesis. Student, what is the role of sunlight in photosynthesis? Sunlight supplies energy for the food making process. सनलाइट जो है एनर्जी सप्लाई करती है फूड मेकिंग प्रोसेस में. सिंस ऑल द फूड इन दिस अर्थ इज मेड बाय यूटिलाइजिंग सोलर एनर्जी, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Sun is a source of energy. The energy is captured by leaf with the help of chlorophyll, and this energy is then converted into chemical energy. The sun provides energy and it helps in making food. It helps in processing food making process. It helps in food making process, which is called photosynthesis. So sunlight is very important for photosynthesis.